Welcome back to my final morning report. Charles Fraser on Thursday, 28th of April, with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at gold. We've seen a bit of traction in gold in the last couple of days, really, and the gains that we've seen today has certainly been helped by this sort of safe haven shift, or shift into safe haven assets, I should say, on the back of the BOJ, and it certainly seems as though we're seeing a little bit of a gain, but once more, you would argue that this is still a range play, and every time this sort of range gets towards 1260, it just fails. So 1255 now. I think look out for the RSI. To be honest, I think that is an indicator that we need to think about, because it hasn't been above 60 really in the last sort of month and a half now. And the last two sort of forays towards 60 have failed, and that is sort of has coincided with the sort of moves in the price towards 1260. So if we see the RSI above 60, maybe that would be a signal that we're going to sort of see a move towards 1280 area. But at the moment, I think 1260 seems to be the limit of the upside. You've got momentum indicator, which, to be honest, are slightly ticking higher, slightly bullish biased, but nothing too significant. MACD lines have not even responded yet. Stochastics have sort of turned higher, but as I said, yeah, 1260 is still the limit. Now we've got this hourly chart, which you've sort of moved back above 1243. 1243, I think, is going to be a consistent sort of pivot line, and that will be supportive for the downs for a move down. But again, we've just had this sort of rally. Is this beginning to tail off? You've got the hourly RSI, which is up towards sort of 70 area again. Is it beginning to lose a bit of upside? So it's interesting, because we're not too far from this 1260 mark, are we? So that is your resistance, and yeah, you had a spike to 1270 on the ECB, but it certainly looks as though that 1260 is sort of your limit in the near term. So just bear that in mind when you're sort of looking to chase this one higher today. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.